In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an IT help desk in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable ticketing system that your team can use to track, manage, and resolve requests without anything slipping through the cracks. First, open ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app and log in. The interface may look slightly different between platforms, but the flow we're using is the same in both. Start by creating a dedicated home for your help desk. Click Spaces, choose Add Space, and name it IT Help Desk so everyone knows where tickets live. As you set it up, make sure lists are enabled. Lists will be the backbone of how you track and move tickets, so turn them on to keep your workflow organized from day one. Inside that new space, create folders to categorize requests. Add a folder for software issues to hold tickets about applications, installations, and software errors. Create another for hardware issues to handle devices, computers, and equipment. Then add network and access for VPN, Wi-Fi, and permissions. Clear categories make it easier to route work and report on volume later. By the way, if you need the desktop app download or the website link for ClickUp, I've placed it right at the top of the description to save you time. Within each folder, build lists that represent the ticket stages. Create a list called New Tickets for incoming requests. Add In Progress for active work. Set up Waiting for info for anything paused because you need clarification from the requester. Finally, use Resolved for completed tickets. This structure lets your team see where everything stands at a glance. Now it's time to add tasks. Each IT request becomes a task in the appropriate folder and list. For example, reset user password, install software update, fix printer issue, or troubleshoot network connectivity. Use a clear title, include the details in the description, and attach screenshots or logs so technicians can get started quickly. To track what matters, add custom fields. Include requester name, priority, ticket type, status, assigned technician, and deadline. Choose field types that fit the data, like drop-downs for priority and ticket type, a people field for assigned technician, and a date for deadline. Set consistent task statuses across your lists, such as new, in progress, waiting, and resolved. Keeping these aligned makes reporting and workload views much cleaner. To monitor everything, create a dashboard that shows open, pending, and completed tickets, highlights response times, and gives you a snapshot of team workload. That's it! You now have a ClickUp IT ticketing system to track, manage, and resolve helpdesk requests efficiently. Thanks for watching.